Yes, 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 yes. You're all welcome. Yes, 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 yes. You're all welcome. I welcome you all to today's live stream by 4 o'clock exactly. I will kickstart the class. I welcome you all to today's live stream by 4 o'clock exactly. I will kickstart the class. If you are just joining, please drop fire emoji on the screen. Let me see you in the live chat. If you are just joining, please drop fire emoji on the screen. Let me see you in the live chat. If you are just joining, please drop fire emoji on the screen. Let me see you in the live chat. If you are just joining, please drop fire emoji on the screen. Let me see you in the live chat. If you are just joining, please drop fire emoji on the screen. Let me see you in the live chat. If you are just joining, please drop fire emoji on the screen. Let me see you in the live chat. I can see people are dropping their live fire emoji on the live chat. Thank you all. You are all welcome. I can see people are dropping their live fire emoji on the live chat. Thank you all. You are all welcome. I can see people are dropping their live fire emoji on the live chat. Thank you all. By 4 o'clock exactly, I'll kickstart the class. This is 3:56. Still have 3 minutes more. By exactly 4 o'clock, I'll kickstart. All right, now let's start. I welcome you all to today's live stream, a class on Facebook and Instagram ads. You're welcome to the new Facebook and Instagram ads training for beginners in 2024. This is a free class, as you all know. In 2024, there are a lot of things that will happen. You need to plan ahead. You need to start planning on how your 2024 will be. If you are selling a particular something, or you are a service-based advertiser, you can leverage on Facebook and Instagram ads to make the best of 2024. So I decided to host this class so that I can teach people how to use Facebook interface. Now, this is a complete practical step-by-step guide. If you are just joining us, my name is Wahab Mibi, and I'm the CEO of Wablogs. Wablogs is a digital agency. Wablogs is also a travel agency. In the last couples of some few months ago, I've actually scaled my business from zero. We make over 110 million naira within 28 months. Both the Wablogs agency and the Wablogs travel agency. I'm also an e-commerce business owner. I own my store. I also own a brand where we sell our products. So I know how to use the internet in order to get whatever thing that I want. I can use Facebook and Instagram to get people, people that I mean customers that is ready to buy whatever thing that I'm promoting. I've also helped people to sell their services or their products online. So that's why I'm hosting this particular class so that you can all benefit from my years of experience. Are you a product-based or service-based advertiser struggling to create a Facebook and Instagram ads campaign that sells? You can be a real estate business person. You can be an e-commerce store owner or a coach, or you make use of Facebook and Instagram to sell your products or your service. But it's not easy. Majority of people using Facebook and Instagram, they find it difficult in order to run a successful or a profitable Facebook ads campaign that actually sells whatever thing that they are selling. So if you are one of these people that is struggling to set up a Facebook ad campaign that sells, in this class, you are going to learn a lot of things. How you'll be able to craft out your campaign, how you can leverage on Facebook and Instagram ads ecosystem in order to sell your product or to sell your service. You will all enjoy this class. If you watch this class or this training to the end, there are a lot of things that you will learn. And I also have some gifts to give anybody that watch this particular class to the end. Your problem is going to be solved right in this particular training. Look at what you want to learn. Number one, I have about 12 to 13 items here that you will learn from free of charge. This is 100K dollar advertiser mindset. You get started how to create an account or log into Meta Business, introduction to Meta advertising ecosystem, Facebook, IG Messenger, audience network, how to use Facebook ad library tool for comprehensive research, how to know your target audience with Insight tool, understand how to use the Pixel conversion API, custom conversion to your own advantage, how to set up an effective campaign, ad set, and ad structure, how to drive growth and maximize performance with retargeting and lookalike audience, the anatomy of a profitable Facebook and Instagram ad campaign. Now, there is another bonus. You will learn the three elements of running a profitable Facebook and Instagram ad campaign. These three things, if you don't know these three things, forget about your ad creative. Everything about whatever thing that you are doing will flop. But these three key elements will make your campaign to be successful one. I also have a special gift for you, then the summary. So all these are what you will discover in this live stream webinar. 100K advertiser mindset. A lot of business or advertisers on Facebook, they believe Facebook, some of them says Facebook doesn't work. Facebook is a scam, but that is not true. It's actually based on your mindset. Facebook, it's one of the best platform on internet where you can make money. You can make real money. You place a campaign, you actually fund your account. Let's assume you fund the account 100K, then Facebook help you to make 10 to 20 million with a 100K. There are a lot of people that is making so much money on Facebook and Instagram ads. My ads are performing fine and I'm making a lot of money from it. So you need to change your mindset. You need to have a mindset of an advertiser that believes that whatever thing you are doing will work. Facebook, Instagram ads, they are not fake. They work real time. They help you achieve your goal. You need to have a goal. If you own a business or if you're a marketing agent expert, you need to have a business goal. What do you want to accomplish? What do you want to achieve? Facebook will help you to achieve that particular goal in a short period of time. So you need to have an advertiser mindset of people that can make a lot of money. You can make so much money. Now, 100K dollars in naira, that is about over 100 million. Now, as at today, $1 is 1,200. When you multiply by $100,000, that is about 120 million naira. So you need to have the mindset of you achieving your goal. You need to set a goal before you run your campaign. Facebook will actually help you optimize to make you achieve your goal. So you need to have a strong advertiser mindset that believes that it will work and Facebook will also work for you. So you need to change your mindset. You need to have 100K advertiser mindset, a mindset that believes that everything will work. Facebook is working, Facebook is real, Facebook ads is real. You can make a lot of money out of Facebook platform. Before we get started to the ecosystem, I want you to do me a favor. The favor it's actually going to help you. This is a live training. I'm conducting this a live stream training just to help you, to assist you, to teach you how to make use of Facebook ad system. You need to do something for yourself. You need to turn off, if you are playing music, you need to turn off the music. You need to stop anything that would distract you from this class. You need to turn off your WhatsApp, Facebook ads, your Facebook timeline. You need to off them so that you can concentrate. You get the best out of this class. I believe you have done that. Turn off anything that will distract your attention. So let's get started. To get started, the first step is you need to have a Facebook or Instagram account in order to make use of Facebook ads ecosystem. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to business.facebook.com. you log in with your existing Facebook or Instagram profile so that you'll be able to get access to the Meta Business Suite or the Business Manager. As time goes on, once you get familiar with Facebook ads, you will discover the best and most out of this Meta Business Suite or the Business Manager. This is where everything is being done. So you need to go to the business.facebook.com, then you log in. So let me show you a practical class on that. Now this is this is, you can see business.facebook.com. It will take you to this place. So this is where you log in. You click here if you are a Facebook account user or you have an existing account to log into your Facebook. You simply click here. If it is Instagram you want to use to get access to Meta Business Suite, you use either Instagram. So I click on the Facebook. Now it will take you to this Facebook login page. You log in with your username and password. If you actually make use of the Instagram will also take you to where you can log in with your username and password. This is it. So once you log in, it will take you to the Facebook page. So that is how to get access to the Facebook, and that is the first step. So that is the first step. Once you have access to the Facebook, then we'll proceed. Now, let me introduce you to the Meta advertising ecosystem. The Meta advertising ecosystem comprises of Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, Audience Network. Now, this four system is where Facebook actually owns billions of people. Now, who do you want to target? Who do you want to show your adverts to? It is people, real human being. So the human being, that is the social network, they make use of both the Facebook and Instagram and the Messenger. Then Facebook also partner with other app or website owned by individual or third party. If Mr. A or Mr. B is not logged into Facebook or Instagram or Messenger, but it's on another website, Facebook will still target that audience with the partnership of the Audience Network partnership agreement. Facebook will actually show your advert to anybody interested in what you are selling. So that is what we call the Audience Network. Now I will log into my own Facebook, business dot. Don't forget, I told you this is a live class where everything is step-by-step process to start and end any particular thing that you are doing. We will practicalize it. So this is the Facebook Business Manager. This is how it looks like. Now I've accessed my own account. So let me choose a campaign. I have a separate account that we use for this training. So I've selected that account. So this is how it looks like. So this is the Meta ecosystem. This system that you are seeing, this is where the professional Facebook ads advertisers operate their ads from. So when you log in to the business.facebook.com or adsmanager.facebook.com/ad manager, it will take you to this place. So you are welcome to this Facebook advertising ecosystem. So this is where all the adverts, the strategy, everything that I'll be teaching you in this live class, this is where it will take place. So let's go back to the presentation. So now I've accessed the ads manager, how to use Facebook ad library tool for research. Now, when you want to run a campaign, the first thing you need to do is to first of all do your own research. You need to do your own research so that you see other people, your competitor, other advertiser that is selling that particular thing you are selling. So Facebook have a separate hub or a separate website like a tool where you can research other people, what is how other people are selling their product. So that is how to use the Facebook ad library tool for research. So let's quickly go back to Facebook ad library. It's loading. This is the Facebook ad library. In this particular tool, it shows all the advertisers who make use of Facebook to run their ads. Now, let's assume I want to start a campaign for a client. Now, this client is selling a rechargeable mini fan. Now, let's make use of rechargeable mini fan as a case study. Now, the first thing you need to do when you have your product or you decide that this is what I want to sell, I want to sell a product or I want to sell a service. So the first thing you need to do as an advertiser is to first of all come to this place, the Facebook ad library, then you research your competitor, other people selling that particular product or service. How are they running the ads? So you need to spy on your competitors so that you see what they are selling and how they create their own creative. So now this place, this is you select the country. You can select Nigeria if you want to search within Nigeria, or if you want to target the entire world, then you click world. So Facebook will search the entire system irrespective of the country that you are. Then in this place, you need to, if you are running a campaign for politics and other, you need to click this place. Then, but now what we are selling a product and service. So you click on all ads, then you perform your search. Rechargeable, then you press enter. Now, these two will give me different rechargeable mini fan that a lot of advertisers are selling. Now you can see I have different products here. You can spy on your competitor so that you see what are they pushing out, how many days or how many months a particular ad has been running. You get a lot of adverts here that you can tap from. See, this is minifan that you can tap an idea from. Don't forget the essence of this tool is just for you to see an idea so that you have how your ad is going to look like, your creative, your ad copy, then you see the CTA that they are using. So that's what this ad library is all about. Just take your time, go to ad library, or after this class, I will drop a link to the ad library so that you can click on the link, then comes to this place, you perform your research so that you see how your products, other advertisers are selling and also creating your the campaign. So that's what this ad library is all about. Then we'll move on. So I also use the Facebook library. Then the next thing, know your target audience with Audience Insight tool. Now, after you've researched your competitor, you've seen how they create their campaign, then the next thing you need to do is to also research on your audience. Who are your audience? The audience, the people that want to buy your product. Then there's another tool that Facebook actually launched. They call it Audience Insight tool. So to get this Audience Insight tool, we go back to our Facebook creative page. Now, this is Facebook Ad Manager, you click on All To, then you click on Audience, or you simply come to the Audience to scroll down. Okay, Audience Insight 2. Now, this is Audience Insight 2. Because of the security, we call it two-factor security. For me to have access to that Audience Insight, I need to put my security for security reason. So let me quickly input. I've generated the OTP. So now this is Audience Insight 2. Now, how do you make use of these two? When you look at these two, it's telling you that because I base in Nigeria, it automatically informed me that we have about 40 to 47 million people in Nigeria that make use of Facebook. So now, don't forget, I research on rechargeable mini fan. Now I'm looking for audience, people that will be my target audience. So now, this is the entire Facebook users in Nigeria, close to 50 million. So now you click on filter. This is filter button. In this filter, you look at putting your location, Nigeria. You select Nigeria. If you want to target a state in Nigeria, you actually put that state there. Let's assume you want to target Lagos State. Now, in Lagos State, the Facebook user in Lagos State is about 11 to 12 million people. So you looked at it, but I want to target broad. So I'm targeting Nigeria as a whole. So Nigeria, then the age, I'll leave the age as 18, from 18 years above to 64. So meaning that 18 years above can actually buy whatever thing you are selling. So if you know your target audience or the product you are selling, if it is high ticket product that is about 100K upward, then you might change this place to any of the age that you think can buy that particular thing that you are selling. So now I'll leave it 18 to 24, 18 to 65 plus. Then leave the gender. This is the interest. This is the place I'm interested. So people that actually will be needing the fan, who are these people? So from here, you can search gadgets. So the gadgets, now, the people in Nigeria that like the page of gadgets about 3 point something million, close to 5 million. So look at the age range from 25 to 34 to 54. They take the highest share. So now I've seen my age range and also my location. So that is how to use audience insight. So Facebook provide this audience insight so that you'll be able to check and know your interests, the people, your audience, who you want to target. So Facebook give you these tools so that you'll be able to research on them. So that is how to use the insight tool. Then I want to understand how to use the Pixel conversion API, custom conversion to your own advantage. So now, so there's something that we call Pixel conversion API, custom API. Now, this Pixel is a tracking tool that Facebook will insert on your site like a cookie. But after the iOS 14 launch, Facebook and Apple computers they have issue. So Apple tried to prevent Facebook from tracking behavior of Apple users. So then after that, Pixel cannot track iPhone users or Apple users. So Facebook has to launch another technology called custom API. So this conversion API, the conversion API will be able to track customers' behavior on Apple or other on any device because it's used robust and a strong tracking system. So when you want to track your advert, the audience, after you drive your traffic from Facebook to your website, you really want Facebook to know what and what behavior, what do they click on, which page do they click, how many minutes do they spend, do they actually buy what you are saying, did you choose a lead? So Facebook will track all this user behavior so that they can use it to optimize your campaign so that they can be giving you audience that you might like. Coming. So sorry about that. So sorry about that. NEPA power holding. So let's go back to the class. So that is how to use the Pixel. When you want to use Pixel on your website, the first thing you need to do, you click this icon, then you go to setting. Just click on business setting. When you click on business setting, don't forget what you want to do. You want to install Pixel. So now you click on data sources. Before we're using Pixel, but now Facebook have changed it to data set. So now you click here, add, then you give your Pixel name. I'm giving it training Pixel. You click on create. So now Facebook have created this Pixel and also assign an ID to this Pixel. So I'll copy. Now I've clicked on that Pixel, I've copied it, then I'll save it somewhere. This is my Pixel. Now, after you've created the pixel, you need to add people to the pixel. So now I will assign this pixel to myself. Then I give myself full control so that I can work on this pixel. So then the next thing you need to do, you go to NEPA. So now this is the pixel environment. This is the pixel that I just created. Now you can see there's no any activity on it, no activity on it, and I've not linked it to any website. So this is the pixel. Then I'll copy this pixel. I'll go to my website, open the website. This is my website. Then I use a Facebook tracking partner. We call it Pixel Your Site. Pixel Your Site. So when you click on the Pixel Your Site, it's a plugin. You add the plugin to your website. The website, it depends on if you are using a WordPress, you actually use the Pixel Your Site. Then I'll come to this place where I have my token. This is the Pixel ID. I'll click here, then I'll insert the Facebook Pixel ID. Then I'll save it. Now I've actually insert pixel on my website. So the next thing is to create conversion API. So I'll go back to the pixel. This is the pixel that I created. So now I've linked this pixel to my website, which is the website I want to use. So then the next thing you need to do now is set up conversion API. I'll click on conversion API. Then you follow this prompt. Now it will ask you, how do you want to set the conversion API? I click set up manual. You follow the process. You follow this process. At the end of the day, you will get what we call a token. If you want to get the token, you go to setting, then you scroll down, generate access token. Now I've generated this token. I've clicked on it, then I'll take it back to my website. Then there's a section which is for token. This is the token, the conversion API token. Then you click save settings. So once you save the setting, now I've successfully installed Pixel on my website. So then, and I've also, you can see, let me look for the pixel that I just created, training pixel. Now, if I want to, you can refresh to check if the token is working. You can test to see if your token actually have started working. Then the website is wahabmaybe.com. This is the website. Now, if you go back, so that is how to insert pixel. You follow this wizard. Now you see it's saying no activity. So meaning the pixel from my website and this page on the Facebook have not actually linked. So now the next thing you need to do is to refresh. Let me clear my cookie. So just follow the process to insert your API and your pixel code to your website. Once you insert that, you'll be able to track the activity of your user from your website, send it to Facebook, while Facebook use it to optimize the kind of traffic they will be sending to you. So how to set up an effective campaign and ad set and ad structure. The ad account that I created for training, it's empty, so I need to look for it. So this is it. Now this is the Facebook ecosystem where you'll be able to create your ad campaign, then ad sets, and also your ad creating. So let me quickly do introduction to display. This is campaign. Now this ID here, this is the ad set, the ad account, the ad account ID that I'm using to run this training. So this is, we have three tab here. We have campaign tab. This campaign tab, because there is no campaign on this particular, I just opened this ad account for this training. So there is no any ad account, no any campaign here yet. Now this is ad set. Now this ad set is under the campaign. This ad set is where you select your audience, then you set the instruction where Facebook will follow to target your audience. This ads here, this ad is where your creative will be, your picture, your ad copy, your heading, your CTA, then your headline, your description. That is what makes a campaign a campaign. That is an ad. So then in this particular campaign, under this tab, campaign tab, there are different tools here that you can use for this campaign tab. Then under ad set also have its own tools. Then ad also have. So for you to start a campaign, the first thing you need to do, you need to have an objective. Objective before you start running a Facebook ad, you need to have an objective of what do you want to achieve. What do you want to achieve at the end of the day? Do you want to run a campaign for selling, for purchase, to sell your goods or services? Or do you want a customer, we call it leads? Do you want customer that will submit information to you? So that is your first thing that you need to have. You need to have an objective, a goal that you want to achieve with this campaign. So to start or to run your campaign, the first thing you need to do, you click on create. So in this place, because this ad account, it's a new ad account, that's why Facebook is giving me this error, but don't mind the error. So now this is the first thing you need to do. We have about six objective here. We call it campaign objective. This objective, we have awareness, traffic, engagement. Awareness is you want to tell people that your business, or you just launch a business, or you just launch a product. Now traffic, it means you want to drive people to your website. Engagement is maybe you post something like something on your page, then you want people to see them, or you want people to comment, you want people to engage it. So that's what this engage objective for. Then this lead is, for example, you want a customer where you want them to give you something, you want them to fill their information and send to you, like maybe name, email, phone number, their personal information. Then we call this lead objective. If what you want to do is you want to sell a product, so this is the objective you will choose. Now I click on sales. Under this sales, we have settings that you will need to name that campaign. Now let me just give the campaign a fan. Just give your campaign name that once you see the campaign, you'll be able to know what is inside this campaign or what this campaign is for. Fan campaign for clients. So once you leave this, you will set it up later. Then you click continue. Once you click continue, Facebook will give you suggestion that based on your activity on our platform, we discover that this campaign or this strategy will work for you. But if you have enough money, you can try it. But I will recommend don't try this. Just go to manual. You click on manual, then you click continue. So manual means I want to set up my ads myself. So I don't need Facebook AI suggestion. So that is what this manual simply means. So now this is the campaign setting. We are the campaign setting now. So the name, you can change the name if you want to change the name here. But if you don't want to, you can leave the name. So special ad category. If you want to run a special ad for campaign, politics, and all that, that is a special ad category. You need to let Facebook know that this campaign, this ad that you want to set up is for politics. So that's what this place is. But if you know you just want to sell a product or service, you exclude that particular place. Then you come to campaign details. So now the option, leave the option to the buying type option, then the sales. This is the objective sales category. This catalog is, for example, you want to use Facebook business to sell, but I have my store, which is my website where I want to do my selling. So you exclude here. Then the A/B test. A/B test is for an advertiser that has been running campaign for some months now, that have a lot of data in their system, where Facebook can analyze the data in order to give them the type of audience that they are looking for. So that's what this A/B test. You want to test variation of ad copy. You want to test which of the ad copy will work, or which of the heading will work, or which of the image will work. So that's what this A/B test. But if you are new, skip this A/B test. Then there's something I will call campaign advantage campaign budget. This particular place simply means if you have enough money, you have a lot of campaign, then you want them to be taking money from this place, so that Facebook will automatically, which of the campaign, if you have ad about 5 or 10 ad, if one or two is performing fine, Facebook will not give other ads enough money. Facebook will channel the money to the ad that is performing. So that's what this place means. But if you are new, skip this place. You will set it at the ad set level. Now you click on, that means you are through from this campaign stage. Then you click next, or you simply click on this new ad set level. So you can give the ad set name, ad set 1. So you click the conversion. Where do you want to sell this product from? I'm selling it on my website. So you click on website, then you go to the performance. You leave it. There are a lot of performance options here that you can allow Facebook to choose, but always go for the maximum conversion so that Facebook will give you the best. Then in this conversion, it will not give you because the pixel, there is no pixel here, so that's why it's giving me to create a pixel. But if you can click here, then you create a new pixel. So once your pixel is linked up, it will reflect here. So then the next thing is leave this campaign result, go, leave this place. Then you come to this budget and scheduling. If you want to budget, know that $1 is 1,000. So if your ad, if you want to use 5 ads, that is 5,000. If your campaign, or if you just want to one ad, you can use 2,000 to start. Then once the campaign has started working, you can optimize to add more money there. So then this place, this is the audience. This audience target, the audience control, your location, Nigeria. Now the advantage, the audience. You choose your target location, Nigeria. Then the audience. If you want to use Facebook, use a latest technology called Advantage Plus Audience. So this Advantage Plus meaning that you want Facebook to give you audience. But in this case, I've showed you how to set up to research your audience. So now I have an audience that I've saved. So I want to make use of saved audience. You click here, then Facebook will allow you to choose from which audience you want to use. Then the placement. This placement always optimize. We have advantage placement where Facebook will place your ad on different platform like mobile, computer, that is the laptop or desktop. But in this place, I want to optimize for mobile. So you click on manual. So under manual, you'll be able to select where do you want Facebook to show your ad. Facebook, I want you to show my ads only on mobile, not on desktop. So I'll turn off the desktop, then leave only mobile because the audience, the population of people using mobile in Nigeria are more than the one using desktop. So, and if you want to manage your resources, then just go for the mobile. So now this is the platform that Facebook run. We have Facebook, Instagram, and audience messenger. So if you don't want Facebook to share, or because of your resources, that is the wallet, the money available, you cannot advertise on Facebook and Instagram and audience network and messenger. So if you just want to just target only Facebook and Instagram. Let Facebook just show your adverts on Facebook and Instagram. Then in this place, you can decide to select the area where you want Facebook to just show your ad. So once you set this up, then you click next. So this is where the main work is. Now, I'm going to name this 01 because I normally run my ad campaign 2, 3, 4. So then you use numbers to know them. So number one, this is number one. Then if I want to create another one, number two, number three, number four, number five, number six. So once you name it, then Facebook will now say, okay, on which page do you want to use? So I have my own page that I want to use for this campaign. Then I want to make use of Wablox, that's my company name. So I want this advert to be run on Wablox page, then also Wablox on Instagram. So once I select that, then the next thing is the creative manual upload. Then you select single image. This place, this multi advertiser, always turn it off. What it means is that you are telling Facebook to show your ads alongside with other advertiser. So, but now I've turned it off. Then the next thing is to add image. If it is video ads that you want to use, or if it is, so now this is the fan. So I'll just select. So Facebook is optimizing the ads for me. So I keep clicking, then done. So now the image is here. So then your ad copy. Always use headline, hook headline. Then you put copy of the product. Always use a short hook that will make your audience to be curious to know about what you want to sell. Then the headline, you can put the name of the product or you put the benefit. So get 30% off. So description, this description is another opportunity where you can put your other benefit like free delivery and so on. Then this optimize text. So you leave it. Facebook will tell you they are optimizing your ad to other people that you did not choose in your audience. So you leave it open. Then this call to action. This call to action, since I'm selling, so the selling you have to use shop now. So shop now. If it is lead, you choose lead. So the destination, the website where I want to direct customers to. So I'll just type. So meaning that if Facebook show my ads to audience, once they click on it, it will take them to my website. And this is how the ads will look like on Facebook, on Instagram. So this is the headline, then your graphics, your image, then so sorry, then your link and your CTA. So this is how your campaign will look like. So once you are through, you just click publish. So once you publish it, Facebook will review it and publish it. Once they approve it, your ad will start running. So now to drive growth and maximize performance, you can use technology that we call retargeting and lookalike. You create your retargeting and lookalike audience, then you sell back to them. So this is anatomy of a profitable Facebook and Instagram ad. This is what I just show you now. Your primary text, your headline, your description, your creative, either image or video, then call to action. So Now, the three elements of running a profitable Facebook and Instagram ad campaign, the three things that you need to know is you need to call out your audience. You need to research your audience. Who are your audience? So you need to research your audience. Then you need to, number two, you need to grab your audience attention. Once you grab your audience attention, then you give them a strong CTA. Once you use a strong CTA to tell them to click on the ads, go to your website where you'll be able to make the sales. So now that is the end of the Facebook tutorial. I have another program that we call Facebook Ad Masterclass. In that masterclass, we use the different strategy that we use to sell our product, to sell more, to make more money. So in that class, you'll be able to see everything. I will teach you everything from A to Z of the Facebook and different strategy that you can use. Then I'm giving you a Christmas offer, which is 75% off discount for you. So this offer is going to expire very soon. So it's a time-based offer. So you need to, if you want to enroll, just visit wahabmuibi.com/academy. So you'll be able to see different courses there where you can choose from. So in this particular class is a master class. You will get the best, all the advanced. We use different AI, artificial intelligence, everything is there. Just go to wahabmuibi.com/academy. So now the question is this: what is the number one key factor affecting your Facebook and Instagram ad performance? Drop your answer in the comment section, or if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I will answer the questions for you. So now don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, turn up the bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching, and this is the end of the training.